Hello, my name is Monica Munoz, and I wanted to show my final product of this week's assignment of editing some images. Here you will see the first images that I created using GIMP. I have the before and after. This is my class, and here is how I created a new image using a different background. This is another image that I created. As you could see, I have two different pictures, and this is the ending result. The third image is an airplane, and then another image of some giraffes. And on the final product, you could see that I cutted some of the giraffe's neck. So I did copy paste and insert it in the other side, and then I included an airplane. Now I'm going to take you to the GIMP so y'all could see how I did that process here. I see you could see my history of all the pictures that I utilized. Uh, I'm going to be honest, it was a difficult tool to use, but finally I got to play with it and came up with these results. I think it's a great tool to be implementing to the learning, knowing that it is important that we apply the multimedia principle in order to design a good course to help the students learn through images. And here are all are the samples of all the visuals. Here you could see that I deleted the background image. I actually had a lot of fun. On this one, it was a real small picture, so I had to make it bigger using one of the tools. As you could see here, you just make it bigger and then you crop it. So like I said, it was real fun, but at the same time, it did take a lot of time and process to have the results that I showed to you. I'm going to take you back to my Google Documents because I have my last project that I did. This is something that I created using Canva. I created an invitation since we're going to have our PTA performance next week. So I'm going to take the advantage of this software, and I'm going to send this invitation to my parents. And here it is. Thank you for watching.